Harmonic analysis, practical harmonic analysis. So what is the meaning of harmonic analysis? So harmonic analysis is the process of finding the constant term and the first few cosine and sine terms numerically. So harmonic analysis in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So now what is the formula for Fourier series? Fourier series is given by the expression y is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of n equals 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus summation of n equals 1 to infinity bn sin nx. So here you have to find out a naught value. So what is the formula means a naught is equal to 2 by n summation of y, and a1 is equal to 2 by n summation of y cos x, and b1 is equal to 2 by n summation of y sin x sin nx. So here n means number of values in x. So similarly in the interval 0 to 12, so what is the formula for Fourier series? Y is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of a n cos n theta plus summation of bn sin n theta. So here you take theta is equal to pi x by L. So then what you get here, y is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of a n cos n pi by Lx plus summation of bn sin n pi by Lx. So actually this is the in the interval 0 to 2L. So that's why we have taken pi x by L is equal to theta. Then we will get this formula. So now what is the formula for a naught? So a naught is equal to 2 by n summation of y, and a1 is equal to 2 by n summation of y cos theta, and b1 is equal to 2 by n summation of y sin theta. So question, determine the constant term and the first sine and sine, first cosine and sine terms of the Fourier series in the expansion in the given expansion of y from the following table. So here is given x values is given, x is in degrees is given 0, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270 and 315 is given, and corresponding y values is given 2, 3 by 2, 1, 1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2, 1 and 3 by 2 is given. So now we are given x values, so 0 to 315 degree. So now actually we have to take the interval 0 to 360 degree. Suppose it's given first 0 degree and the ending suppose 360 degree is given means, so first value and last value is same. So then you have to leave it first or last value. But here is given 0 to 315 degree. So that's why you have to take all 0 to 315 degree. So now how many values is there? You have to count here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is there. So therefore n is equal to 8. So number of values in the x row, that is equal to 8. N is equal to 8. So now a naught is given by the formula 2 by n summation of y, and a1 is given by the formula 2 by n summation of y cos x, and b1 is given by the formula 2 by n summation of y sin x. So for this one you have to write the table. So now you have to write x, what is the given in that values x you have to write, then you have to write y, then cos x, y cos x, sin x, y sin x. So now in that formula a naught 2 by n summation of y is there. So that's why you take y column that addition summation of y. So next which term is there? Y cos x. So to add all these values that becomes summation of y cos x. So next summation of y sin x, to add all the values we will get summation of y sin x. So now that given problem x is given 0 degree, 45, 90, 135, 180, 225, 270, 315. So next is given y values, corresponding y values. So 2, 1.5, 1, 0.5, 0, 0.5, 1, 1.5. So is given. So now you have to find out the cos x. So calculator you have to put in degrees because it's given in degrees. So cos 0, 1, cos 45, 0.7, cos 90, 0, cos 135. You have to use that calculator. You have to fill all these values cos. So cos x. Next y into cos x, y column into cos x column. So 2 into 1, 2, 1.5 into 0.7. So we'll get this one 1.0 into 0. So you have to multiply y column with cos x column. Then we'll what you get? Y into cos x column will get. So this one would add what you get 3.5 4142. Similarly, sin x. So calculator you put in degrees. Sin 0, 0. Sin 45, 0.7. Sin 91. So like this you have to write all the values here, sin x column. So next you have to multiply y into sin x column. So y into sin x. So y is 2, sin x is 0. So 2 into 0, 0, 1.5 into this one you have to multiply. So then you have to add all these values. What to get? 0. So now, what is the formula for a naught? 2 by n summation of y. Why to find out a naught, a1 and b1? See in that question, obtain the constant term and the first cosine and sine terms of the Fourier series. So Fourier series is given by the formula what? So Fourier series is given by the formula y is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of a n cos n x plus summation of b n sin n x. So in this problem, you have to find out the constant term, means a naught by 2 you have to find out, and also you have to find out the first cosine terms. First cosine term is what? So coefficient of first cosine terms, a1 you have to find out. Coefficient of first sine term, so b1 you have to find out. So a1 and b1 you have to find out. So now, what is a naught formula? 2 by n summation of y. So here, a1 2 by n summation of y cos x, b1 2 by n summation of y sin x. So n is equal to 8. So here 2 by n is equal to 8, n is equal to 8 into summation of y. Summation of y is 8. So a naught is equal to 2. So constant term you have to write a naught by 2. So that is equal to 1. Similarly, a1 is equal to what? So a1 is equal to 2 by n. 2 by n means 2 by 8. So summation of y cos x. What is the answer for summation of y cos x? So that is 3.4142. So simplify this one, we will get 0.85355. Similarly, what is the formula for b1? So 2 by n. 2 by n means 8 and summation of y sin x. So what is the summation of y sin x? That answer is 0. So that's why b1 is equal to 0. So now, so in the Fourier series, y is equal to a naught by 2 plus a1 cos x plus b1 sin x. So next problem, express y as a Fourier series up to the third harmonic given in the following values. So here is given x values and corresponding y values. So x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and corresponding y values 4, 8, 15, 7, 6, 2. So this problem is given numeric values. So this is arbitrary period. So arbitrary period means you have to take 0 to 2L. So 0 to 2L. So actually here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values is there. But here 0 to 5 is there. So you have to make it even. Suppose here given odd means you have to make it even because you have to comparing with 0 to 2L. So then this becomes 0 to 2L is equal to 6 and 2L is equal to 6. So L is equal to 3. Suppose it's given 6. So correct. Suppose it's given odd values, then you have to make it even. So here n is equal to 6. Number of points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is n is equal to 6. So now you have to write the formula. So y is equal to a naught by 2 plus summation of a n cos n theta plus summation of b n sin n theta. So here theta means what? Pi x by L. So in this problem, what is L? L is equal to 3. So theta is equal to pi x by 3. So now you have to write the table. So how to write the table means you have to write x. So theta is equal to what? Pi x by 3 and you have to write y and y cos theta. So up to third harmonic series, y cos 2 theta, y cos 3 theta, y sin theta, y sin 2 theta and y sin 3 theta. So x is given 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and theta is equal to pi x by 3. Pi means 180. 180 into 0 by 3, 0 and 180 x equals 1. 180 by 3, 60 degree. So 180 into x equals 2 by 3, 120. You have to convert in terms of what? Degrees. And y values is given as it is. So now y into cos theta. You have to multiply y column and theta column. First you have to find out cos theta. Then you have to write y into cos theta. So cos theta, so cos theta, so cos 0, 1 into 4. Next, one column you have to write extra cos theta. So what to get that values you have to write y column into cos theta. So y column 8 into cos 60. So y column 15 into cos 120. So you have to write this one. Next, y cos 2 theta. So y cos 2 theta means, so cos 2 into theta. So into y. Cos 2 into 60 into y. Cos 2 into 120 into y. So cos, like that only you have to write all the values. Similarly, y cos 3 theta. So multiplied by 3 with theta, then cos of that one into y column you have to multiply. Similarly, y sin theta. Sin theta values you have to find out, then y column into sin theta column you have to multiply. Similarly, y into sin 2 theta. So y into sin 3 theta. So then you have to take addition. So y cos theta addition minus 8.5. So y cos 2 theta addition minus 4.5. Y sin theta addition 12.99. Y sin 2 theta addition minus 2.598. So y sin 3 theta addition 0. So now what is the formula for A naught? A naught is equal to 2 by n summation of y. So 2 by n is equal to what? So number of values in x column. So 2 by n, 2 by 6. So simplification will get 1 by 3 into summation of y, 42. So therefore A naught by 2 is 7. Similarly, A1 is equal to 2 by n y cos theta. So 2 by n means 6. So 2 by 6 means 1 by 3 and y cos theta is minus 8.5. Then you to simplify we get minus 2.833. So similarly B1 is equal to 2 by n summation of y sin theta. So 2 by n equals 6. So 1 by 3 summation of y sin theta is 12.99. So simplify will get 4.33. So similarly A2 is equal to 2 by n summation of y cos 2 theta. So 2 by n equals 6. So 2 by 6 is 1 by 3. So y cos 2 theta answer is minus 4.5. So that is equal to minus 1.5. So similarly B2 value 2 by n summation of y sin 2 theta. So simplify will get minus 0.866. So similarly you have to find out A3 and B3. So then you have to substitute in the Fourier series. What is the Fourier series? So A naught by 2 A1 cos x plus B1 sin x plus A2 cos 2x plus B2 sin 2x plus A3 cos 3x plus B3 sin 3x. So B3 that answer is 0. So this is the answer for this problem. Next problem. Compute the first two harmonics of the Fourier series of f of x given in the following table. So here x is given and corresponding f of x is given. F of x means y. So x is 0, pi by 3, 2 pi by 3, pi, 4 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3 and 2 pi. Corresponding values is given here. 1.0, 1.4, 1.9, 1.7, 1.5, 1.2, 1. So now you have to see here x is 0 degree to 360 degree. So 0 to 360 degree. So first value and last value is same. So first value and last value same means you have to leave it any one value, either 0 degree or 360 degree, because y value is same 1 and here also 1. So first value and last value 0 to 360 degree means same means we can either neglect first one or second one. So but previous problem starting is 15 degree or ending is 315 degree. So that's why you have to take all the values. So now you have to write the table. How to write the table? So x you have to write 0, 0. So pi you have to convert in terms of what? Degrees. Pi by 3 means 180 by 3. So 60. 2 pi by 3. So 120. Pi 180. And 4 pi by 3. 240. And 2 pi. 5 pi by 3. So that is equal to 300. But 2 pi we are not considered because so first value and last value is same. So corresponding y values you have to write 1, 1.4, 1.9, 1.7, 1.5 and 1.2. So now what is the question? Compute the first two harmonics. First two harmonics. So now first two harmonics means what? You have to find out. So a1 cos x plus b1 sin x and a2 cos 2x plus b2 sin 2x. So that's why you have to find out a1 b1 a2 b2. So now what is the formula for A1? A1 is equal to 2 by n summation of y cos x. A2 is equal to what? 2 by n summation of y cos 2x. B1 is equal to what? 2 by n summation of y sin x. B2 is equal to 2 by n summation of y sin 2x. So here y cos x is there, y cos 2x, y sin x, y sin 2x. So that values you have to write in the form of the table. So x you have to convert in terms of degrees, y already is given. Now you have to find out cos x. So calculator put in degrees. So cos 0 1, cos 60 0.5, cos 120 minus 0.5, cos 180 minus 1, cos 240 minus 0.5, cos 300 0.5. So next similarly cos 2x. Cos 2x means cos 2 into x, 2 into 0, cos 0 1, cos 2 into x, 2 into 60, 120 degree, cos 120 degree. Means what to get that answer? 2 into 120, 2 into 180, 2 into 240, 2 into 300. What to get? You have to write down. Next sin. Sin x term, sin 0, 0, sin 60, 0.866. So sin of this angle, you have to write all these values. Sin 2x, sin 2 into 0, sin 2 into 60, sin 2 into 120. So what is their x value? You have to multiply it by 2. Next, y into cos x. Y into cos x means what is their y column, and you have to multiply it by cos x column. So 1 into 1, 1.4 into 0.5. So what to get? You have to write. So that's why you have to multiply y column and cos x column. Next, y into cos 2x. Y column and cos 2x column you have to multiply. Y column and cos 2x column. 1 into 1, 1. So 1.4 into minus 0.5 minus 0.7. Like that you have to multiply. Next, y into sin x. So y column and sin x column you have to multiply. So we will get this one. Next, y into sin 2x. Sin 2x column. So y column and sin 2x column you have to multiply. So now which one you take summation? See in this formula y cos x is there. Then y cos 2x is there. Y sin x is there. Y sin 2x is there. So what is the summation of y cos x? Minus 1.1. Summation of y cos 2x? Minus 0.3. Summation of y sin x? 0.5196. Summation of y sin 2x? Minus 0.1732. So now you have to substitute here a1 is equal to 2 by n. So n is equal to what? Number of values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 by 6 into summation of y cos x minus 1.1. You have to simplify. You will get minus 0.367. Similarly, a2 is equal to 2 by n. So 2 by 6 summation of y cos 2x. So that is minus 0.3. So simplify, we will get minus 0.1. b1 2 by n, 2 by 6 summation of y sin x. So 0.5196. So simplify, we will get 0.1732. b2 is equal to 2 by n summation of y sin x. So 2 by 6. So y sin 2x answer is minus 0.1732. Simplify, we get minus 0.0577. So the first two harmonic series is given by a1 cos x plus b1 sin x and a2 cos 2x plus b2 sin 2x. So a1 value to write as it is, cos x as it is, plus b1 value to write sin x as it is, and a2 value to write cos 2x as it is, and b2 value to write and sin 2x as it is. Next problem. The following data gives the variation of periodic current over the period t. So t is given instead of x and y. Here what is the given variable? T in seconds, and a amperes is given. Current at 0 second, t by 6, t by 3, t by 2, 2t by 3, 5t by 6 and t, and 90, 18.2, 24.4, 27.8, 27.5, 22 and 9. So question is, find numerically the direct current part of the variable current and obtain the amplitude of the second harmonic. So Fourier series is given by y is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation of an cos n theta plus summation of bn sin n theta. So this given problem 0 to t means 0 to 2l you have to take. 0 to 2l is equal to 0 to t. So comparing with 2l is equal to t and l is equal to t by 2. So we know that theta is equal to what? Pi by L into T. So pi by L, L is equal to what? T by 2. So T by 2 take here denominator, then we take numerator, what you get? 2 by T into T. So now you have to write the table. How to write the table? T theta, theta is 2 pi by L, means here 2 pi by T into T, then cos theta, sin theta, A cos theta, A sin theta. So T means already is given 0 and T by 6, T by 3, T by 2, 2T by 3, 5T by 6. 5T by 6. But we are not writing T because T value, so first one and last one will become same. So that's why we are not writing. So now we have to write theta value. So theta is equal to what? 2 pi by T into T. So T is equal to 0, 0. Next, you have to substitute T is equal to what? Small t is equal to T by 6. So what do you get here? T is equal to T by 6. 2 pi by capital T into small t. Small t is equal to what? T by 6. So now what to get here? 2 pi by T into T. 2 pi by T into T. T is equal to what? T by 6. So T becomes cancel. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So what is the remaining? Pi by 3. Pi means what? 180. 180 by 3, 60 degree. So that one you have to write. So 0 degree and 60 degree. Similarly, T is equal to what? T by 3. So how to simplify? 2 pi by T into T is equal to what? T by 3. So T becomes cancel. So 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi, 2 into 180 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 6 are. So 60 into 20, 120 degree. So 120 degree. So that's then same thing you have to write. So 0 degree, 60 means plus 20, 20. Sorry, plus 60. So 60 means 180. So like this it continues. 20 is 270. So what to get? 180, 240, 300. So multiple of 60. So 0, 60, 120, 180, 240, 300. So then you take here T means here becomes 360 degree. So 360 degree means first value and last value is same. So that's why we are not writing first value and last value. So first thing is you have to write T, then you have to write theta. Theta is equal to 2 pi by T into T. So then you have to convert in terms of degrees. So then same thing, cos 0, cos 60, cos 120, cos 180, cos 240, cos 300. Similarly, sin 0, sin 60, sin 120, sin 180, sin 240, sin 300. So A already is given in question only. You have to write. Then A into cos theta column you have to write. And A into sin theta column you have to write down. Then you have to write what is A1, what is B1. Then you have to simplify. So Fourier series up to second harmonic is given by A0 by 2 plus A1 cos theta plus B1 sin theta plus A2 cos 2 theta plus B2 sin 2 theta. So this one you have to simplify. So what you get that answer means so 21.4835 plus minus 8.217 cos theta minus 1.9918 sin theta plus minus 3.083 cos 2 theta minus 0.202 sin 2 theta. So that question, the direct current part of the variable current is the constant term in the Fourier series is 21.4835. And next you have to find out the amplitude of the first harmonic. So first harmonic amplitude means root of A1 square plus B1 square. So A1 square plus B1 square. So what is the A1? Coefficient of cos theta, and what is B1? Coefficient of sin theta. So these two coefficient to take square and root of that one will get that answer. So 8.455. And amplitude of second harmonic. So A2 square summation under root of A2 square plus B2 square. So under root of A2 means so coefficient of cos 2 theta and B2 means coefficient of sin 2 theta. So then we will get simplification. So 3.09.